Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please be sure to like and subscribe. So today we are going to take a look on how much money do YouTubers make. So I know most of you think that making money on YouTube depends on the views, but no, it doesn't. Making money on YouTube depends on these four factors, which include watch time of your videos, like how much, how much time people will watch your videos until the end, not that they watch until half the video and click to another. Second, how long your video is. If your video is below 10 minutes, then you'll get paid less money. But if your video is above 10 minutes, you'll be paid more money. And the third factor is who is watching your video. With what I mean with who is watching your video is it a child or is it an adult? If it's for children, you're more likely to get paid more money because it's family friendly. But if it's adults, sometimes you may get paid more money, but sometimes you can't. And the location of the viewer. For example, a view in the US, the CPM could be $4, so that means you'll be paid more money. But if it is, if it is a viewer from, it depends. Some regions have low CPM, so you could get paid less money. If in Kenya, if you have high CPM, then that means if you have more of your viewers are more from Kenya, you'll get paid more money. And let me tell you something. Views don't matter. You could be having like 10 million or 15 million views, but make less money than a person who could be having a whopping of 300,000 views. Let me show you an example. Okay, so here there is a channel that I saw on YouTube which earned 370,000 views and got paid $3,015. While this other channel here had 2,200,000 views and only earned $743. So this is what I was telling you. This channel had more of the viewers from a certain location where the CPM was high. That's why it got so much money than this other one, which had 2,200,000 views and got less money. And another factor could be that maybe the video 370,000 views, it was above 10 minutes and it had so many ads. That's why it got so much money than the one with 2,200,000 views. So you see, the views don't depend. The money you make doesn't depend on the views. You could even have like 1,000 views but make so much money than somebody with 1,000,000 views. Yeah, and how can you make money on YouTube? That's the second topic. You should make videos 10 minutes and longer, not videos below 10 minutes. Videos that are 10 minutes and longer will add you more money than videos which are below 10 minutes. That's another factor. This will earn you so much money because you'll get an opportunity to add ads to your video. Yeah, and some of the richest YouTubers, let me show you an example. Okay, so PewDiePie earns 13 million per year, and you can see Forbes reported on December 2019 that PewDiePie makes 13 million per year, and Mr. Beast here earns like $24 million. They say that according to Forbes, Mr. Beast, who has 47.8 million subscribers, made an estimated 24 million and amassed 3 billion views. 19th December 2020. Dude Perfect earns around $12 million from YouTube. Yeah. So that's the end of today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I know I wasn't talking well, but it's because I have a sore throat. But please guys, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time. I'm going to upload another video, I think on maybe Saturday, I don't know. I'll check my schedule and tell you guys. So please guys, don't disappoint me. This video took like 5 good hours to edit and to play the game. You see how we play the Fortnite game. I'm a pro, man. No one can beat me. So guys, please be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.